2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seat, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm, front reading lamps. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.